Hello, engineers. I found another way for you to run Autodesk Inventor at home. This will be without having to install it on your laptop or PC. So you will be using a virtual machine for this process. So to start this process, you want to load up the SFA VPN. I already have it running under the Start menu right here. And when you connect to this, make sure that you see vpn.sfasu.edu. And then you're going to use your MySFA credentials and then make sure you uh, accept the connection using your Duo app on your phone. If you don't have the VPN installed called Global Protect right here, then what you want to do is go to vpn.sfasu.edu. And then what you'll do is you'll log in there and you'll be shown this link and you'll download the appropriate VPN client to connect to the SFA campus network. The next process will be to go over to view.sfasu.edu. So I'll go ahead and do that there. You'll log in with your MySFA credentials again, and then you'll be presented with this page. You can install the client later, but I'm just going to use the web interface. And this is where you're going to use your MySFA credentials. I might have already done that previously. Again, you'll want to use your Duo app. Go ahead and put a gold star on this one that says library. So once you click right there, it will start up a virtual machine for you that will have Autodesk Inventor already running on it. It may also have SolidWorks and MATLAB and things like that. So here you can see, I don't want to use multiple monitors in this case. Here you can see that I already have this machine up and running. And let's see if I can get it to refresh a little bit. It looks like it's maybe not full screen. There we go. Okay, so then this is the application running. The important thing to note is that if you save a document to your computer, like on the desktop, for example, it is likely that it will eventually be erased once this computer reboots. So it's very important that you go over to D2L on the virtual machine. So not on your computer, but on the virtual machine, and then go ahead and upload your documents into D2L over here. I made you a Dropbox for temporary storage just for this purpose. So you see what this one right here, I hope it doesn't go down the list, but it's called storage Dropbox not graded. So what you can do and come in here is come in here and upload any file that's temporary that you're not going to submit for a grade. Go over here to the desktop. Probably should have made a directory, but the thing is that the directory might actually get erased in the process anyway. So there that is. Make sure you submit it. This will allow you to download it once you get to class or to another computer, work on it some more, and then turn it in. Okay, so there's that file right there that you can download later. Let me see if there's anything else I can help out with here. I think that's everything. If you want some more space on your computer to run Autodesk, on your monitor rather, you can go over here, do full screen in Chrome. Let's see how that's going to look. So now you see this taskbar right here is not your own taskbar, but instead it's the virtual machine taskbar. So there is Autodesk Inventor. You save a file, upload it into D2L. So it's kind of back and forth between those two. And notice that I didn't even have to install Inventor on my home computer. Um, if your computer goes to sleep, if this computer that you're seeing here goes to sleep, let me take it out of maximum screen there like that. If it goes to sleep and gives you a login screen, all you got to do is go over here to this tab like this and click Control Alt Delete right up there. It will let you log back in. If it goes to sleep while you want to wait to get some coffee or something like that. This allows for file transfer, but I think you can only upload, you can't download. And then it looks like you could, let's see what this one does. Copy and paste content from your local system to remote desktop. That seems like, yeah, I think it's just like pasting text. So I don't really see an easy way to download. However, I'm thinking that if you go to view.sfasu.edu and you install this client, this over here on the left-hand side, then it's likely, if you install this, it's likely that you could be able to download documents. I will, gosh, I'm not really sure which one of these to use. It gave us a lot of them, didn't it? Let me pause the video and see which one we're supposed to get. Well, I think since it says Horizon right there, we're probably going to get this one right here. And yeah, it's probably this first one right here. Oh, that's for Linux systems. Make sure you get it for Windows machines. I'll let you work through that. I'm going to see if I already have it installed on my computer. Let's see, am I out of full screen now? I think so. Let's see, what is it called? Horizon? Yep, looks like I already have it installed. So let me see if this will allow downloads to your local PC. So let's see what's going to happen here. Connect. Looks a little bit different. I'm going to go full screen. It says use your two-factor authentication, put in your SFA credentials, accept two-factor authentication, and remember that we're going to select a library. I think some of these other computers are accessible. Okay, I'm not really sure why it failed. I'm going to try again. Maybe I didn't click in time. Um, some of these other computers are accessible, but they will not have Autodesk Inventor on there. And also, once I get in here, if it allows me to go through this method, yeah, it looks like I'm having some difficulty here. So I'll let you try it on your own if you want to do it in that way. But here was the successful way that were able to do it a minute ago. Let's see, what else was I going to show you? Oh yeah, let's see if there's other engineering applications that you could use. There's SolidWorks, but we're going to be using Inventor. Oh, look at this. MATLAB is available to you. I wonder if any of there's Audacity, which is sound editor. Um, I was wondering if any of the electrical software was on here, like Multisim. I think it's called National Instruments Multisim. So let me go here and say NI Multisim. There it is, multi-board right there. Maybe it's Multisim though. There it is. Okay. So you could actually use this for your electrical engineering class as well. How about that? Okay, so you got MATLAB, you got Multisim, and you got Autodesk Inventor, SolidWorks, all accessible in this virtual machine. And just one last reminder here that if you save something in Multisim or if you save something in Autodesk, just remember that it's going to get deleted after the computer reboots. So it's important to upload that to a safe space before you move on to the next project. Here is full screen again. Let me know if I can help further. Okay, have a good one.